Ka Sorkar jela kelarai baka komiti bala kli da ubak polling do kan sim ya ki Jingai jingmut jong baro ki district council ha ke baya de baka Jingai ST certificate. Ya ka jingelang la penyai do sembut menteri rang ba ubak Preston Tensong bakmi ia ka DCA. Ubak polling do loong ba kumba kalong menta ka office memorandum ba pemi da ka social welfare department ka de tang ya ka ak jong ka KHADC pa namar kene ka Sorkar ka la rai ban kentup lang wat ya ka JHADC ba GHADC.
Though the meeting was held in the context of the issue of ST certificates and the relevance thereby to the Drainage Act 1997 passed by the KHADC. Today's meeting convened at the level of Deputy CM in charge DCA was held because we felt the need to have uniformity in our approach to the subject of issuance of ST tribe certificate, land certificate. That should be broad-based and include the entire state of Meghalaya. So, because the office memorandum issued by Social Welfare Department was confined to an act of the KHADC, we thought it prudent to make it more broad-based and include the other two district councils. So one of the ADCs, GHADC, is yet to frame its own act, Danish Act, and in the case of Garhills GHADC, they are in the process of framing their act. So today's meeting decided that the next meeting will be taken at my level as chairman of the committee that would elicit and solicit the opinion of the three ADCs and also include the DCA department and the law department to study the suggestions and inputs from all the three ADCs so that we can come up with a notification or an OM that covers the issue of ST certificates for the entire state of Meghalaya.